Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Murano key battery, easy method. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver and a CR2025 battery. Hold the fob steady, locate the seam, and gently pry it open. Remove the old battery with a non-metal tool if possible. Note the orientation, then insert the new CR2025 with the correct polarity and snap the case closed securely. Begin by sliding the mechanical key release and removing the key from the fob. Use a small flathead to carefully pry along the seam, lifting one side a little at a time to avoid cracking the plastic. Note the battery orientation before removal, then swap in a fresh CR2025, ensuring the plus side faces up. Press the halves together until they click, test the buttons, and reinsert the mechanical key. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like to support more helpful car tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a fun little gadget that makes garage music and voice timers super easy while you work on your key fob. It's compact and affordable, perfect for a workshop or kitchen. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If the fob does not respond after replacing the battery, inspect the contact pads for dirt or corrosion and clean them gently with isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. Verify the battery voltage with a meter to confirm it is fresh and correctly seated. If cleaning and a verified battery do not fix the problem, the internal electronics may need professional attention or reprogramming at a dealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.